Hi guys, welcome back to another cooking video with Shan. Today we are going to be making baked ziti. So as you can see, I have some water on the hot plate, and inside of the pots I also have oil and salt. So you just want to get your water, your salt, and your oil hot, and then you're going to pour your noodles in. Now be careful because this can splatter. All right, so we're just gonna let that cook, and then I will be back to you to show you the other steps that we will need to take to make the easiest baked ziti ever. Okay guys, the next step we will need to do is cook our meat and our onions in a pan. So I've already got this pan warmed up, so our meat is gonna cook quickly. You can put a little oil in it, but I don't, because of course the hamburger is gonna make its own oil. We still have our noodles cooking on low. And our baked ziti is almost done. We just gotta let this cook, and we're gonna throw in some onion, and then I will be right back to you with the final, almost final step that we will need to take to finish our baked ziti. Now we have just mixed in our classic Alfredo sauce, and as you can see, this is Food Lion brand, but you can get whatever brand you'd like. I have done this dish with Prego Alfredo, and I find it to be really loose. So I would say look for a thick Alfredo sauce, okay? We just got a few more steps left, and then we are almost done, and it's almost time to put this lovely dish in the oven. All right, so the next thing we will do in our meat mixture, and you can also add whatever meat you want. I just use ground beef, but you can use ground turkey. You can also put sausage in it. You can put green peppers in it. So you can just make it your own dish. So the next thing we will be putting in is the Prego with meat. And you're gonna put that right in your pan. You give it a little tap or shake, whatever you'd like. And then you're gonna give it a stir. And then we will almost be ready. And yes, the recipe calls for you to add the sauce in with the grease. So no, I did not drain my meat, but I did drain my noodles. All right, so this is our last and final step. You can get whatever cooking dish you'd like, and we're just going to pour our noodles in. Whoa, don't make a mess like me. pour our noodles in. And then we're gonna add our meat sauce. And then we will sprinkle a little cheese. All right, so this is what our pan looks like now. We put our noodles on the bottom and then our meat sauce on the top. And the recipe asks us to use mozzarella cheese, but I've done mozzarella and I've used Parmesan, and I think I like Parmesan better. But again, it's totally up to you. You can use whatever cheese you want. So now I'm just gonna sprinkle this cheese all over this dish. And then I'm gonna put it in the oven, or you preheat the oven for 350. And when your oven beeps, you put it in for 35 minutes. And then you will have your easy baked ziti. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a great day and enjoy this recipe.